Who is in the mood for fall?
Christmas tree?
This Christmas tree is in the mood for fall. You know us, we love Christmas, but we also love fall. And today we're going to transform this tree into a beautiful fall tree that's going to look quite a bit different than the fall tree we did a couple of weeks ago.
Yeah, this one's no glitter, no shiny anything, so not quite as transitional into the Christmas season. This one's straight sunflowers, pumpkins, but a little different color combination. We're using a lot of reds and blues with fall.
Let's jump right in.
So really, I've taken a lot of inspiration from this Smooth Summer plaid ribbon that's got some blue hints with some orange, some gold, and a lot of red in it. And we're going to add that to the tree, and then we're going to start adding some of the rest of our components. But we're going to start off with the ribbon on this one, which is not what I normally do.
So for anybody wondering, we are in our retail store, which we've temporarily closed for spring and summer. We did a little pop-up clean out sale in March, like a spring cleaning sale, where people got some amazing deals on some of our products. And our next pop-up here is going to be September 2nd through the 6th. And so we are not quite ready yet. As you can see, we have a lot of things to do to get ready. But we're making some progress. So we thought, hey, why not go work in the retail store today and make a video, 2 birds, 1 stone.
Right. That's our philosophy. Take out as many birds as possible. Theoretical.
Theoretical birds.
Yeah. Metaphorical birds.
Yeah, metaphorical birds.
There you go.
So what caused you to put the ribbon on first this time?
I don't know.
Because you do put ribbon on last a lot.
I do.
Or in between, just in the middle of it. It's just whatever.
But I get really bored really quick with trees, so you know, it's more of a to keep myself on my toes. I think that's what it is. That's what we're going to say.
What would you say is best for a beginner?
It's probably easiest to put the ribbon on first. Now we're going to use some of these blueberry mixed pine magnolia sprays because we want some of that lighter blue. It's got a little bit of a darker blue shade, but some of that lighter blue also mixed in there. And we definitely want a little bit of that blue to show up in our tree. So we're going to put those on, and then we'll add some other colors on top of it. Now we're going to add a few of our reddish orange pomegranates, Lovely Fields pomegranate branch. Somebody asked on our video last week, I think, who named our products, to which I said, I don't always know. Somebody from the office names them, and it really depends on, you know, the mood that day as to what kind of happened.
This is true. There's not like one set person that names them.
Yeah, time and other things that go into play.
And sometimes they come in on a spreadsheet with a certain name and it doesn't get changed.
Yeah, if we're real out of time, we may end up with the factory's name for it.
Which sometimes doesn't make sense, but right. We try to change it as we get to it or when we notice it, but And one of the reasons too, I think that we have to come up with so many different names is because, you know, we have 18 different kinds of berries, so you can't just put them all in your system as red berries because there's 18 different kinds. So some of them have to have adjectives that
berry spray,
or like lovely berry,
and
or
there's 12 colors of 24 different kinds. Yeah.
Yeah. So these are really pretty. Are these? Did you put pomegranates on the other tree?
No.
No. Oh, we had persimmons, but we sold out of them.
Because it was really fast.
Yeah, they did not last at all. So
you have to grab things as soon as you see it on the video sometimes.
Yeah, if you like it, don't wait around because we sell wholesale and retail, so we're selling 2 different customers at all times.
Now we're going to use a little bit of this wild thistle spray that will be sold out soon. So keep that in mind, kind of like the persimmon branch, if you're looking for those. And buy all you want immediately. Now we're going to be adding some pumpkins, and there's a couple of different ways to do this. So most of these pumpkins have a tag on the bottom, and I can just kind of wedge this in here, use a little bit of the pine from the tree itself, and hook around that tag. If that doesn't prove to work too well, if the tag comes out, you can just push a piece of the tree itself up into these styrofoam pumpkins. Just take one of these branches and just push it up in there, and that will stay really well.
Yeah, so remember, we are a retail store. We leave the tags on as much product as we can because our goal is to sell it. We don't want a lot of items left over without tags because then it's harder to sell. But you're welcome to take your tags off in the comforts of your own home.
If you must.
If you must. Or leave the tags on. You can't even tell that the items in this tree have tags. And then when you get ready to resell it to your friends on Facebook, you can say, new with tags.
Small hole.
Yeah.
Small hole in pumpkin, ready to be used.
This is looking so fun. It makes me ready to go to the pumpkin patch.
I love pumpkin patches.
I know, but our kids aren't little anymore, and they don't care about going.
They don't, no.
So I guess if we go to the pumpkin patch this year, it'll just be the 2 of us. They'll probably tag along if we promise them food.
Yeah, food would be
That's their motivator.
Bribery.
Yeah, are we getting food? Then I'll go.
What kind of food are we getting?
Yes. And I don't know if anybody else experiences this, but we have 2 boys, and they have never agreed on what food, on anything much, but what food to get. And I had to get to a place in life because they argued so much that I would say, okay, if you can't agree, everybody just has to, every man for himself. You just have to find what you can find in the kitchen. And then quickly they will come up with something so they can keep from cooking or making something.
Right. They will do that.
But it is a chore to come up with what's for dinner every single day for years and years and years and years. Some of y'all out there feel me on that. It's hard. Especially when you're trying to...
Speaking of which, what are we having for dinner tonight?
I know. What are we having for dinner tonight? Well, I actually plan on making that, is it like a German dish that Isaiah sent me the recipe for? It's like cabbage. It's like a cabbage and...
Oh, I think it was like a Czechoslovakian dish or something.
He sent me a recipe.
He's the adventurous one.
Yes.
Me and Isaiah are like, this looks interesting. This looks weird. We've never seen it before. Let's eat it.
Yeah, so I'm making something brand new tonight, I believe. We'll see.
See how it works.
And I think everybody has their go-tos. And maybe it's appropriate to talk about food right now with this tree looking very Thanksgiving, giving Thanksgiving vibes.
Thanksgiving vibes?
Yeah, tell us what your favorite Thanksgiving dish is. That'd be interesting. I wonder if maybe there's something out there that we haven't tried that we could try to make this Thanksgiving.
Oddly enough, I feel like bread and gravy are the stars of the show.
They are. We were all too sick to go to Thanksgiving last year, so I cooked Thanksgiving at home for the first time ever. Made the whole meal, chicken and dressing, the turkey, everything.
See, I don't think everybody understands what chicken and dressing is. That's a very specific Southern thing.
I don't think so.
Oh, it is.
Oh, we'll see what people say in the comments.
People make chestnut stuffing, and stuffing's the appropriate term, I think. And
pardon me.
It's different.
Well, in the South, we eat chicken and dressing.
That's true, and it's good. Now we're going to be using our Sunset Meadows sunflower spray, and these are fresh off the boat from, coming in on the port. So we're glad to have these back in stock for the fall season.
Did they just come in today?
Just came in today.
Ooh.
Yep. Stole them right off the dock so we could do this tree. Got a couple other things from that shipment as well.
You'll have to tell me so I can make sure those are uploaded by Saturday.
Yeah. Now we're going to be using some of our Caressed Sunrise Triple Peony spray. See, that's one of those interesting named. And it's really more of a ranunculus than a peony. So that's one of those like last minute.
Would you like me to change that in the system?
Well, it was still going to say that on the tag. So.
Oh, I see.
Somebody might think they got the wrong item. They're a pretty item, they're just called the wrong thing.
I like those.
And it could be that that's what the factory called it, and we just ran out of time and didn't get a chance to change it.
Probably.
Just getting a little bit more of that yellow coloration, that golden color, and it's got a little bit of a reddish tip to it. So, should work really well with the colors of the ribbon, which is really what we're going for here. Now we're going to add some other hydrangeas that are fresh off the dock. These are our fall hydrangeas, our Meadows hydrangea spray. This is dark orange, red, and we have a lighter orange somewhere. I have to find it. But we're going to mix this dark orange color and our red together.
I'm interested to know how many people put a fall tree up in their homes. I know that more and more people have kind of started to do that, but we do it here at the store because we're a store, but how many people are doing it at home?
Well, I know it's more of a U.S. thing. I know very few of our European customers do this, but to each their own. Everybody's got their own kind of style going on. Now to add a few of our orange berry picks. Just a little
Autumn harvest berry is what this is called.
Autumn harvest berry. Just to break up the texture a little bit. So while it is easier to add the ribbon in the beginning before you finish the tree, you do sometimes hide quite a bit of the ribbon. So we are going to take some of the 1.5 inch, the same ribbon, and just cut some strips And then I'm going to tuck it in and just curl it. Good heavy wired ribbon always makes a huge difference. But we're just going to give it a few curls here and there, and then we'll be done. And we're out of here.
We're done. Remember to like and subscribe and turn your notification bell on so you don't miss all the videos that we have coming up. Go back and look at some of the old ones if you're new here. We have tons of playlists with lots of different things. We're sure you'll find something that tickles your fancy. Surely.
Unless you're not ticulous. And then you can just subscribe so you can make bad comments.
That's right. It helps us either way, right?
Yeah, just so you know when we get something, so you go, I need to get something locked and loaded, ready to say.
Check out the description for all the items that are in today's video. We love you all. We appreciate your support, if I can speak, because we get a whole lot more love and support than hate, and we are grateful for that. So with grateful hearts, we say thank you.